Hey guys, welcome in this new video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to install Roblox on Linux, and if you've not saw my last video, it has gotten a lot easier because now Sober, it has been listed on Flathub. If you don't know what Flathub is, it's just a website that contains most of the Flatpaks out there. And now Sober has been listed on Flathub as well. So to install Sober, you need to have Flatpaks installed in your system. Now most modern distros come with Flatpak already installed. But if you're on Ubuntu or on Arch, you just need to type on Google Flathub setup, open the website, and click on your distro and follow the prompts. If you're on Ubuntu, you click on Ubuntu and then you follow all of these. It's very easy. Then you just restart the computer and it's there. If you're on Arch, you just do this, copy this command on the terminal and run it and restart, and it's there. And after you've done that, if you needed to do that, you can just open the software manager that you have on your distro. I'm on grapejuice right now, and I have installed Discover, so I can click on Discover. And after it has loaded everything, I can just search for Sober and click install. You can click install from Flathub, and then the load will start. And there is also GNOME software, which Fedora ships by default. And also if you install grapejuice with the GNOME desktop, you will get GNOME software, which is already pre-configured to install Flatpaks. So in that case, you don't have to do anything. But Ubuntu, as I've said, doesn't ship with Flatpak pre-installed by default, so that's kind of bad. But I mean, I've already talked about why Ubuntu is not really in the greatest position recently, literally in the last video before this one. And if you are on Linux Mint, you just need to open the software manager of Linux Mint, and you can just search for Sober and it will find it. So yeah, that's pretty much all you have to do on Linux Mint. So after it is installed, we can close Discover or whatever you're using, and then we can search for Sober. As you can see, it's right here, so we can open it. And here you just click on continue. Make sure that download Roblox automatically is ticked on, so that you don't have to do anything. But it is automatically ticked on by default, so you can just click on continue. And now you just wait until it installs Roblox for you. And once it has finished installing Roblox, it will close itself by default. And we can search for Sober again. And now if we open it, it will actually open Roblox, as you can see. Now here, you can either create the account or sign in. I already have an account, so I click on sign in. And here you can either put your mail and password and click sign in. Then it will prompt you to do like the usual robot, you're not a robot, captcha, whatever. And if that works for you, great, you have signed in into Roblox. But if it displays a white screen instead of the robot check, you can just click on quick sign in instead, and you will be able to sign in with your smartphone by scanning a QR code. Okay, so I've signed in and it's Roblox. You can play Roblox, you can play whatever you want. So for example, let's search. I was playing Broken Bones a couple of days ago just to pass some time. And as you can see, I opened the game and everything works. Performance is great and it's Roblox. It just works natively now on Linux. It actually uses the Android version of Roblox with a lot of tweaks on it for better performance and better compatibility on PC. I can change the graphics, I can change the FPS max, I'm going to put it at 144, then I can change the graphics here and put it at max. And as you can see, it's working fine. It's just Roblox. So this was it for this video. I hope it has been helpful for you. And if it did, please leave a like and subscribe. It's going to really help the channel. I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye bye.